guys. Today we are going to review our object-oriented programming project that was given to us this semester, and we programmed a code that would essentially do the task of a lab assistant and reduce the burden on the shoulders of lab assistants. And this program that we have programmed out, this code that we have written out, it will basically check out the tasks of the students automatically and identify the errors, the syntax errors and the compile time errors. So it's gonna do it on its own and save the time of the lab assistants. So let's begin without a further ado, let's begin with the tutorial of the program that we made. So this is the interface, the output. Let's begin. So first of all, we have to enter the details regarding the task. So it asks for the class. Class should be basically the name of the class. Let's say we have in Analyst BEE 7A. Total marks we have, let's put at 20, and mark deduction. Total marks mean the marks per task, and marks detection per error. So in each code per error, that would cost, let's say, 1 mark. Now let us browse it, find the folder containing the lab test. Let's browse it and get the lab tasks. So mind it that every folder should be class specific. One folder should contain all the lab tasks of a single class, so that the output should be of a single class or as required. So lab tasks, alright, okay. So there are 4 files within that folder, and they have Word documents, as we have mentioned in our blog as well, that the requirement is to have the task in Word document, and so 4 Word documents are found. So let's proceed. Now let's start the checking process. So the program is now checking the task of a person, of one student, and on the upper side we can see the processing percentage and the number of items checked. So it's checking, and it's also displaying on the right hand side the errors, and if there is no error, it's displaying seconds. So the process has been completed. So now we have to save the record. So file name, now we have, let's put it anything, let's put it in cap lock. Usually 7A. Now .xls. We have to save it. We have programmed it so like that it should be saved in an Excel sheet. So XLS is the type that we should enter. Saving it will make the Excel sheet appear on the desired folder, which was desktop. Let's open it. Now finally you can see the program checked out all the 4 lab tasks within less than a minute. So it also displays all the details, the name of the student, and we can add other thing as well, but name, essentially the name, the marks, the number of mistakes and the task number in which the mistake has occurred. It also indicates the line number, error number, what type of error was it, that is also displayed, and what the comments are also displayed. A namespace cannot directly contain numbers as well. The comments are also included in it, so the students can review it later on. So that is it. It essentially wraps up the hectic task of the lab assistants, and so we are here with our project, and this was the whole tutorial how to use it. So as I mentioned, so there are 2 to 3 requirements that we have, 2 to 3 things that we have to keep it in our mind, and that is the tasks be saved in the Word file, and eventually you have to save it in the .xls format, and basically, and there's no other restrictions. It's very user friendly program. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching our video tutorial. Goodbye.